Let's see how to make this kind of plastic bottle helicopter. To make this you need a DC motor, a plastic bottle, a propeller, a battery, a power bank. You can also make other things like this. Make a hole like this in a plastic bottle. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I am not a subscriber to his video, but I will do a full T. So subscribe now, and you will get to watch new videos in the future. Let me know how you like this video by commenting, and I will reply. 1000 subscribers to the video, but I do YouTube full time. I make YouTube videos in the like, so subscribe right away. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you like the video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment and I will answer them. My God bless and may God bless you and protect you.